It's everybody's favorite game show, What's the Beginning Sound? In today's show, you will see a picture, hear the word, then you must decide what's the beginning sound. Grab yourself something to write with, and let's play What's the Beginning Sound? Sailboat. Sailboat. Umbrella. Umbrella. Window. Window. Zipper. Zipper. Rocket. Rocket. Violin. Violin. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Queen. Queen. Uniform. Uniform. U. X-ray. X-ray. X. Tiger. Tiger. Thanks for playing What's the Beginning Sound? And remember to listen for the beginning sound in the words that you hear. Subscribe and like our channel for more great educational videos from Singing to Learn. Check out the description below for additional educational resources to go along with our videos. Thanks for watching.